Hello everyone. Welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to insert 100% stacked bar and column chart in Excel. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, Econometrics, and Statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin with the idea of stacked bar chart. A 100% stacked bar chart is used to show the relative percentage of multiple data series in stacked bars. So here the height of each bar is 100% and the colored bar segments represent the components' relative contributions to the total bar. Let's see this with the help of example. Here I have the hypothetical data of 6 countries and the contribution of primary, secondary, and tertiary sector. So you select the data, go to insert, click here, see all charts, click on all charts again. And in column, the third option is 100% stacked column. And then you select the first one. You can give title here, chart 1. Now, click on plus sign, add data labels. Let's understand how to interpret this. Here you can see each bar height is 100%. Now let's talk about country AB. You can see if the total is 100%, the share of primary sector is around 30%. From 30 to around 75, we have secondary sector. So the share of secondary sector is around 45% and remaining 25, the remaining 25% shows the share of tertiary sector. So basically, each bar height is 100% and the colored bar segment. So here we have 3 colors, blue, orange, and gray. The colored bar segments represent the components' relative contribution to the total bar. Similarly, you can explain for CD, EF, GH, IG, and KL. Now let's understand how to insert bar chart, 100% stacked bar chart. So again, you select the data, insert, go to all charts. In all charts, you have the option of bar. And in bar, the third option is 100% stacked bar. Select this, select the first one, click OK. So now you have bar chart, chart 2. Again, you click on plus sign, select data, labels. So same way you can explain the bar chart. So here we have columns and here we have bars. So this is the idea of 100% stacked column and bar chart. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.